How to enable gyro controls in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable gyro controls in Rainbow Six Mobile in a simple way. First of all, launch open the Rainbow Six Mobile application on your device and make sure you are inside the home page. From the home screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings menu, go ahead and select the gyro controls option from the left. Once you're inside this gyro controls, toggle on the button right next to enable gyro controls and make sure that you select on in order to turn on the gyro. Or you can also select the ADS option. You can choose to enable gyro controls only while aiming down sights by choosing the ADS only option. But I'm just going to turn it on entirely. Once you select on right next to enable gyro controls, you can get back to the game and test. So that is how you easily enable gyro in Rainbow Six Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.